Hi, everyone. In this video, we'll show you text-to-speech function of Descript. Firstly, we write a title for this content. Then start writing. I have a demo text for text-to-speech. After that, we select the speaker option. Stock voice option. Here we see some stock voices for males and female.
Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important. Capture the good times. Develop.
Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important. Capture the good times.
Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important. Capture the good times, develop from the negatives, and if we choose one of them based on our preferences. After that, it takes some time. Then we select speaker Ethan. Here, Ethan has 4 different options to choose from. Now we select one option for better output. Once more. Urban raccoons are now demonstrably better at problem solving than their country cousins. In the last 6,000 years, the surface of our planet has undergone a sudden change. A new habitat has appeared. It's now becoming clear that great whites migrate thousands of miles across the ocean to harvest seasonal abundances in different seas. Then it will take some time to load. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Text-to-speech technology is a process of converting written text into spoken words. This technology has many applications, including aiding individuals with visual impairments or reading difficulties, creating more engaging content for videos or presentations, and improving accessibility. After that, we go for Publish option to export the voiceover. We should save files in an MP3 audio format. Will take some time to load. Finally, we got our audio track. Now we play it on our available music player. Text-to-speech technology is a process of converting written text into spoken words. This technology has many applications, including aiding individuals with visual impairments or reading difficulties, creating more engaging content for videos or presentations, and improving accessibility for digital products. TTS systems use natural language processing and artificial intelligence algorithms to analyze written text and generate corresponding speech sounds. The resulting speech can then be played through speakers, headphones, or other audio devices. TTS technology has come a long way in recent years, and it continues to improve in accuracy, naturalness, and flexibility. Descript is very useful software for text-to-speech.